Rebecca Kufayi, and na doba, and na ukra we a president ba. We a president ba. Now what is obi ye video? Oh Bodin, said Jeben. Now obi abet now. Ma commentary. Wo ebayode. We a president ba ebayode. O papa na quite taking the decision. You have no clue about it. O papa na quite me say this should be a lesson to the security, especially. Missy Rollins, any Fourth Republic way, yeah? Rollins security, ABC. It will not happen. Nana credit woman easy. Now I'm gonna Joe. 31st December women, go and ask them. Omicron we 31st, but go and ask them. Now who are you? Who for him over playing you? Who you wine? Who you wine? Nana Kuledu. That's why people don't like her. Who said Bibi said to Nikru? Never. Never. It didn't happen. It couldn't. Bibi free obi. I can't remember sometime Ghana. Guy be or a police officer UK. England, huh? Police officer. He came. God, the woman said it. And the way Nipan baby and Nipan didn't call them Busan or Kohifa. Or see, oh, man, you a British police. Them is so war. Or in the badge, or they say them so a British police, so what? We don't even know, say Yasuma. Baby, I wouldn't con, he is not allowed to go there. My bro, I feel the guy no shame him. You don't have to go there. This won't say a crony that ho yafa bibiatra. I didn't know. I just want to understand. Me, that is my worry. Say, I don't understand, say. Even when when my name was mentioned, some stupid people were sitting on this Facebook trying to attack me because my name was mentioned. And now, oh no, sister now born Dino, how dare you? How dare you? But this should be a lesson to all of them. It should be a lesson to all of them. Me see, this video has to impeach the president too. Whether it's a video, it's a pictures, it's what. Now me cry the date na ye man. Ghana fonkwa netesa. Ghana fonkwa abroche ha na ano ye friend ye secretary, health secretary. Oni obiyire. You England ha. Oni obiyire ko share baby a omo fifi o man. Ye release video no. Omo di come media no ana media ni release ye. Ya ba be kan say say 29th of say 2nd of say 3rd of say ye nyina ye ti krom ha. E no omo release Boris Johnson nipa no. Oni ni girlfriend no. Obiyire onu so ye obikunu. Awo omo fifi omo ho ano. Video no e capture woman. They didn't. You don't need to set a date too. You setting a date for what? You don't need to promise anybody any because it is your power. You do what you want to do. Just do it. But this is a typical guy. What are you people looking for? You think what would he do? It doesn't hold water. You don't know. God. Jeez. It doesn't. It doesn't. And you, oh, come on. Enough. Me de afekra de mutra mi hu. Mutra so me de mi hu. Emma ha. Emma. See, when they see there was no social media in Rollins time. Susan, or see there was no social media in Rollins days. So Susan, so you think that you people. So it's nah, 18 because there was no, the woman will not allow you. This is what we say, what has happened, you know. There is a big lesson in what has happened. Yeah. The lesson that has happened, if I want to talk about the security, the presidential security now, because like, I'm waiting. I will do that video at the right time. I don't want to talk. Sometimes me say Nana Kuledu, even if there was social media, not social media, but social media has always been there. Susan, Social media has always been there. MSN, Messenger is social. Wait, your friend is saying, Ghana Web chat room is social media. It has grown bigger now. Social media, I have Nana Kredu very much the Guakodia. Oni Tizi Ahmed. I met them from Ghana Web 20 how many 2 decades ago. So social media has always been there. But the thing is, when you put it on social media, what do you get? That's what I want to know. No, that what because you want something, you want somebody to be punished. That is what you're looking for. So a president has to be impeached. Debiani abetina social media. Ye sa bibiani abetu agum. Bibia Kevin Taylor obetu nyama gum sa bibia na mudi gum. Obi anko yem punish obia. Now, it has idea way it has to me say impeach president, you know. Manasi yawa manasi azuri wo. Anas areme ya anas mo. Idea way say me say idea way impeach president now. You people mu hu me. Idea way maka say impeach nanado. And whatever that is coming, no, because Misha video, no, a branch and say nanado tafri trim. And that thing, no, and I don't even get it. It's like, is it the lies that you lie? No, na mucha and trono na yemo there. The person is saying another thing. You people are also saying another thing. But why do you even take pictures of a president if you get close to the president? Have you people asked yourself that? Who told you? Said the president don't have the right to do some of these things. It's just like Monica Lewinsky and Bill Clinton. Yes, what Chichi on Nigeri, it's a bad thing. And we are another thing. Rebecca can just act, said yeah, acting, you know, your friend is saying, Mrs. Clinton, yeah, you know, obey me. I did wait to me. Rebecca, Baba, catch say, or the Nikuru Kraboni Acheno, or Nini Kunutsna. We don't have to do that. We have to set pace. We have to do things the right way. What I don't understand is that why would Sewa put herself in this? That is what I don't understand. I just want to understand why Sewa Bruni, the disappointment. Jeez, why would you put yourself into this for war? Why? If you want to do it, well, you can do it. What, like, it's like the whole thing, no? The guy is don't forget, say, the guy has been voted into power, sworn in as a president. There is nothing that you can do. I just said, Bano, he will impeach him because he is a president now. If he doesn't impeach him, he's still a president. Would he be the first president that watch you on the hearing? No. So what do you want? You have to think. What exactly are you looking for? Justice? The allegation, they said, whatever that happened to her, no, she believes it is the president that sent people to do it because of the video now. Why did you take those videos? Why? Why? Why did you take those pictures? Why? 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 And that is, it goes back to the presidential security. And that is how loosened it's got into. And it saddens my heart. How did we get here? When did this happen? How?